ध्यायामोदवळावगुण्डणवते तेजोमयीं नैष्टिकीं स्निग्धापाङ्गविलोकिनीं भगवतीं मन्दस्मितश्रीमुखीं वात्सल्यामृतवर्षिणीं सुमधुरं सङ्कीर्तनालापिनीं श्यामाङ्गी मधुसिक्तसूक्तिम् अमृतानन्दात्मिकामीश्वरी झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरं सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमतरशोभिनी सुभाषिणी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुगदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्।
Om Amriteshwari Namaha. Today, this auspicious day, that is 15th of August, our country got freedom from British, who ruled for more than 200 years. When the national flag today, when it was unfurled, we remember the sufferings taken by hundreds and thousands of freedom fighters who dedicated themselves, who spent everything for the freedom of our country, who spent their entire life, who left their job and joined for freedom movement and fought against the Britishers to get freedom of our country. We remember those leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, etc., who were in the forefront, who led the freedom movement and fought for freedom of our country. So today is the day to rededicate ourselves for the sake of our country. every individual has some responsibility to build our nation. Everyone has a role to do for the upliftment of the country. So involved in that work. So today we remember, today we have to rededicate ourselves. We have to think to give something to our country. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Respected Principal Ma'am, Swamini Suvidyananda Prana, teachers, parents, and my dear children. Good morning to all. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Freedom is just another word for nothing left to us. Yes, freedom is the oxygen of the soul. In this National Celebration Day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including the right to education, the right to speech, etc. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Dear children, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rani Lakshmi Bai and others, many people devoted their life for independence of our country. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Children, we all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it's our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Srimati Indira Gandhi, the Iron Lady of India. She is a daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. She herself was India's first Lady Prime Minister. She was actively involved in the freedom struggle since childhood.
Sarojini Naidu was a freedom fighter and a poet. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Mahatma Gandhi is remembered as the father of the nation and the most significant leader in the Indian independence.
Here comes our Chachaji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our India. He liked children very much. Children liked him and called him Chachaji. He was born on 14th November 1889. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year. He played the key role for making New India. He was also a freedom fighter. Jai Hind.
जहाँ भगत सिंह से शेर हुए वो हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। जहाँ भगत सिंह से शेर हुए वो हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। सौ पड़े मुसीबत बेटा, सौ पड़े मुसीबत बेटा उम्र जवान में। भगत सिंह का जी घबरा तेरा बंद मकान में। भगत सिंह का जी घबरा तेरा बंद मकान में।
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। जय हिंद।
राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति
राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन।
Good morning, respected principal and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Priyandu. Today I am going to write Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru said that to be successful in life, what you need is education. Thank you. Jai Hind.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम सीताराम पावन सीताराम।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय।
Sarojini Naidu. I was born in a Bengali family. I joined in Indian national movement and became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifice. When there is a oppression, you should say this shall cease today, because my right is my justice. We must have a greater courage in speech and earnestness in action. In the battle for liberty, failure is one unforgivable treachery and despite the one unforgivable sin. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I am an Indian Jewish social reformer and a politician. I am India's first Minister of Law and Justice.
You cannot shake your hands with a clenched fist. There are two kinds of people, those who do the work and those who take the credit. Namaste, I am Rani Lakshmibai. People also call me Jhansi Rani. I am the first Indian woman freedom fighter. I am proud of Bharat. Jai Hind. I am Akama Charayan. I am an Indian independent activist from Travancore. I am popularly known as Jhansi Rani of Travancore. I organized a female volunteer group, Desha Sevika Sangh. Jai Hind.
लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Hari Om.